In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to buy FIFA World Cup tickets in Seatgeek. To get started, open the Seatgeek app on your phone or go to the Seatgeek website in your browser. Once you're there, sign in to your Seatgeek account. If you don't already have one, go ahead and create a new account first so you can complete your purchase smoothly. After you're signed in, tap or click the search bar. In the search field, type FIFA World Cup 2026 or search for something more specific, like a particular match, team, or stadium. This can help you find the exact event you want a little faster, especially if there are multiple listings available. Next, browse through the available match listings and select the FIFA World Cup match you want to attend. When you open the event page, take a moment to review the important details, including the date, time, and venue. This is a good habit before buying any live event ticket, since it helps make sure you're choosing the right game. From there, explore the available seating options using the interactive seat map. This is where you can compare different sections and get a better idea of where your seats will be located. You can also use filters to narrow your results by price, section, number of tickets, or ticket type. That makes it easier to find options that match both your budget and your preferences. Once you find the tickets that work best for you, select them and review the pricing carefully. Be sure to look at the ticket price, any additional fees, and the listed delivery method so there are no surprises during checkout. When everything looks right, click or tap checkout. If SeatGeek asks you to sign in again, just do that and continue. Then enter your payment information or confirm it if it's already saved to your account. Before finishing, review your order summary carefully. This is your final chance to confirm the match, seats, ticket quantity, and total cost. If everything is correct, click Place Order or Complete Purchase to submit your order. After that, wait for the confirmation screen to appear. You should also receive a purchase confirmation by email, along with any updates about ticket delivery. To view your order at any time, open the My Tickets section in your SeatGeek account. Finally, follow the instructions provided there to access, transfer, or present your digital tickets on match day. And that's it. That's how to buy FIFA World Cup tickets in SeatGeek.